Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to use the d-average formula which finds out the average for you in a database. We have taken this as the database and please ensure that the database is free of any empty rows or empty columns. Alright, and also the database has very clear-cut headers, and those headers are copied somewhere else because we would be using them as criteria in the formula as required. So we will try to find out the average of trees of say pear trees where their height is greater than 12. All right, so we would now type in the formula, the average, select the database, comma, field. Since we are talking about height, so we will select the field as height, and the criteria would be this one. Select it, press is equal to the average. The database is here, comma, the field is height, comma, and the criteria is tree height here greater than 12. Close the bracket, and the answer is there because there is no tree in this height category for pears which is greater than 12. So if I make this greater than 5, we get the average of 10.5, which would be the average of 12 and 9 since I've selected them. All right. Now greater than 5 would be the average of, yes, these two only. So this is how we use the d-average formula in Excel. See you in the next video.